Hey, it's Robert. Thank you for your interest in supporting this YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to learn more.
Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a snap ring removal tool.
I posted my first video on this channel back in 2014.
Let's get started.
My mission with this channel has remained the same since day one. Instruct and inspire. So, not only share how to do it, but also demonstrate that it's possible for anyone to do it. Over the years, I've learned that there are two joys in life: the joy of growing and the joy of giving. For me, the Southpaw Autoworks channel continues to fuel both of those joys. As you know, this channel is as much about you as it is about the transmissions. Point being, your viewing experience was and always is at the heart of everything that I do. YouTube memberships is a way for viewers to support this YouTube channel on a monthly basis. My hope is that by working together, we can create a bigger community and create more exciting content. Please know, whether you sign up or not, I appreciate all of you tremendously. You have no idea what your views, your subscriptions, and your ongoing interaction on this platform mean to me. Thank you so much for being here.